I'm trying not to fall apart. Oh.
So this is the giveaway vehicle, guys. We're detailing it real quick. So it looks pretty clean. Holy wow. Sorry, it's my you're fine. This is really clean. So what do you guys think about the giveaway vehicle? He's right there, I believe. Well, I believe it's those. What? Oh wow, you even got that. That's clean.
Alright, so we've got a bunch done. I still would like to shampoo, but I think it's looking good. The door panel's looking good. Still need to clean windows real good, but make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe. And if you do it in the comments, I'll add you to the giveaway for this. Totally free, no buy-in, you know, just a fun giveaway for everyone that supports the channel. So,
I mean, that's what he did. I thought he was going to stick it to me, but that's what I thought.
alright, have a good one. Good luck, everyone.